Welcome to World Geography with M.Adnan. Today tutorial is related to STI, Sediment Transport Index from DM data. So STI, one of the main function of check dams is to reduce sediments, yield and transport of sediments associated with condiments to receiving water bodies. STI can provide vital information on the potential of sediments transport in the stream network of given watershed. For it we needed DM of area, like a digital elevation model, a flow direction of that data, flow accumulation and slope of DM data. Here is our formula for STI, and now we started. We have an area of district in Pakistan. That one is Gujranwala, and here is a DM of which we simply apply on it the flow direction, which is a tool of hydrology. Here you can just write it flow direction. So you will get the tool here, which we use a spatial analyst one. So here just keep it the DM image, and it will take time. So as you can see, we put the DM of our study area. Now we give to the path of its where it needs to save, and here is our path. And here we created a new geodatabase file for it, because we not want to save it any other geodatabase STI. Okay, now I'm going to take and again to go there, tutorial database. Here we find over that one. Okay, now we keep its name flow direction, like a flow dr. Okay, and just save it, and okay, it will process and it will continue. After this we find the flow accumulation, then we find the slope from simple over DM data, and then we apply the formula which I am showing you, and then we finally get the range of STI, sediment transport index. Okay, our flow direction is done. Now we go for flow accumulation. So we find it flow accumulation, spatial analyst one, and this one we use flow direction. Okay, we not need to input the weight raster, so we give its output path, like flow A, like A represent the accumulation, flow A. Okay, and simple okay, it will process. So after it we apply simple slope on it. Then we go to the raster calculator. Here we go to slope. Okay, so slope spatial analyst one. Here we simple place it, and the z factor value is 1. Okay, so now we give it to path, simple slope Gujranwala. Okay, just save it and then it will process. Okay, finally we got the slope also. Now we go to the raster calculator for it. Raster calculator. So here we open it, and now we apply the formula which we keep this one, power one of first we keep the flow accumulation, then a constant value, that one, and which I need to copy. Okay, simple as. Then constant value is divided to the flow accumulation. Okay, and then with there is a comma in a formula. After comma we put it, then it multiplied to again power and assign slope and cell size into, not into, it is a comma, then 1.3. okay, so I need to apply it. Power, here we go. Flow accumulation. Flow accumulation is divided to the constant value which I copy. Here is our value, we give it 2 brackets. Okay, no problem. And then we check out it again. Here is a 0.6 value, and then bracket close. Okay, 0.6. okay, then it's multiplied to again power 1. Then we need to a trigonometric one, that is a sine. For sine we go to I think the cell size, we need to check our formula. No, I need to the slope, then also in it. Okay, slope, then slash, and cell size. Slope, then slash, it included in a sine 1 comma. Okay, cell size, I need to check what is the cell size of or DM area. Source here, cell size is that, we just need to copy it like 3 digits, no problem. Control C. Okay, and here I come to bracket, paste, bracket close, then after comma I need to put 1.3 like that. Yes, I need to put this 1.3. I need to keep it in bracket also for that, for 0.6. No problem. Okay, I just need to copy it. Okay, now so we give it to the path STI Dushawala, STI and save it and then process. Okay, it will take time. Okay, so here is our STI is done. Now we change its color and like 3-color one. So here is a blue color showing high sediment transport index, which is like a river stream paths, or although it's the construction one or the where the vegetation. So this will be good to compare if you have a land use land cover image of it, so it will be good, and water shed for the area. So we created watershed for this area in our next tutorial. So you can first create it watershed, then you compare it, so you will easily get the high STI index on the river, along river, and in the stream one. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial will help you, and for more informative videos you need to subscribe, or you will get the information from here. Thank you.